Good morning, students. I, your mathematics teacher, I.K. Misra, once again present here for proceeding the chapter 7 decimal. Students, in previous videos, I discussed what is decimal, how can you change decimals into fraction, how will you change fraction into decimal. So, students, all of this is completed in previous. Now, students, I am going to solve here some questions of exercise 7b of our Sagwal book. So students, here written first question, change the fraction 2 whole 3 by 8 in decimal. Students, this type of questions is already discussed in previous video. Students, here change the fraction into decimal. Here fraction is question and fraction is 12 whole 3 upon 8. You have to change this into decimal. So students, here first of all divide 3 by 8. Students, 3 is not divisible by 8. So give here a point and use 0 before the point and give here 0. Students, 3 times 24, here 6. Students, when the point is given here, then you can write a 0 here. 10 is right, and here divide it by 7 times 56, remainder equal to 4. Students, now again write here a 0 and divide 5 times 40 and remainder 0. So students, here it will be written as 12 point. Here 12 is whole, so before write point 12 and here 0.375, that means here 375. So students, it is changed into decimal. Similarly students, you can change all of the questions like this type of question. Now proceed in question number 2. Here change the decimal in fraction. Here in previous video already discussed how will you change the decimal into fraction. Use the property. Students, as I discussed in previous video, change 0.125 in fraction, change in fraction. First of all, write all the numbers, all the digits in numerator without decimal. So here 0 is in first, so write 125 and divided by here write 1 for decimal. So here decimal is given, so 1, and here 3 decimal places, so 1 0 2 3, 3 zeros are given. Students, and after that you have to change this fraction into simplest form. Here it is not in simplest form. Students, here divided by 25 40 times and 25 5 times. After that 1 times and here 8 times. So it will be changed 1 by 8. So students, 0.125 is equal to 1 by 8. Similarly students, solve all of the questions in your exercise like it. Students, now proceed in question number 3. Here in question number 3, using decimals express 8 kg, here 8 kg and 640 gram. Students, you know how many gram in 1 kg? In 1 kg 1000 gram, and when you have to change gram into kg, then divide the grams in by 1000. So students, first of all change 640 gram is equal to, in kg is equal to 640 divided by 1000 kg, and students, it will written easily in decimal form 0. 640 kg. And now students, here 8 kg, 8 whole, 8 complete kg. So here 8 kg 640 gram is equal to 8 point, 8 is completed, 8 is a whole number, 8 kg, 8 point, and after that 0 point something, that means 0 is added, 8 and 640 kg. So students, 8 kg 640 gram is equal to 8.64 kg, 40 kg. Students, you can remove the 0 and you can write 8.64 kg. Now students, here in B number question, here in A number question, now in B number question, here 6 kg 8 gram. Students, here 6 kg and 8 gram will be changed into kg. So 8 gram is equal to 8 by 1000 kg. When you have to change gram into kg, divide by 1000, because in 1 kg 1000 gram, and 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000 kg. So 1 by 1000 kg multiplied 8 gram. Now students, here, so it will be here 3 zeros. That means after that decimal 3 digits. So 0.008. Students, observe here 3 digits, 3 decimal places after decimal. So students, it will be 6 kg 8 gram means 6.008 kg. Clear students? Similarly, you can solve all of the questions in your book, in your exercise. Now proceed in question number 4. In question number 4, using decimal express 8 kg 96 gram. Students, you know 8 kg 96 gram into kilogram. That means first of all, since 96 gram is equal to 96 by 1000 kg, and that means 0.096 gram, 0.96 kg. So 8 kg 96 gram is equal to 8.096 kg. Clear students? Similarly students, in B number question, change 8 gram into kg, kilogram. That means 8 gram is equal to 8 divided by 1000. That means is equal to 0.008 kg. Clear students? Similarly, you can solve, you can change all of the question in your book. Now students, proceed in question number 5. Here in question number 5, using decimal express 9 and 9 rupees 9 and 25 paisa in rupee. Here you know rupees, question number 5a, here rupees 9 and 25 paisa in rupees. Students, first of all, change 25 paisa in rupee. That means 25 paisa is equal to 25 by 100, because you know in 1 rupees equal to 100 paisa, and 1 paisa equal to 1 by 100 rupees. So divide by 100 of 25 paisa equal to 0.25. And students, here, so rupees 9 and 25 paisa is equal to 9.25 rupee. Similarly students, you can change 5 paisa into rupee. 5 paise equal to 5 by 100 rupees is equal to 0.05 rupees. Clear students? Similarly students, you can solve all of the questions in your exercise 7b of our survival book. Students, I think you will complete your exercise 7b. If any problem, then send your problem me and I will solve and I will help you. So students, completed 7b, exercise 7b of our survival book. Students, so that's all. Thank you.